What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back. All right, so I got my buddy Ed dropped these off this morning at like 6:17 or something about that this morning. It's pretty early. So these panels, we used the old barter system, and I traded my skills and work for on his 4th gen 2005 V8 4runner to do an idler pulley, as well as the tensioner pulley, a new belt install, and then I did some electrical diag work to find out why he had a misfire. These panels are Rago panels, and they go on the inside of a 4th gen. The difference is he could no longer use these because the 2005 has the single mount at the top for each panel, not the dual mount. Mine is a later 4th gen. Mine is, I would classify as a 2nd gen 4th gen, which is 2006 to 2009. The 2003 to 2005 have the single mount at the top. So these panels are usually $398 a piece. And I did $250 worth of work and install labor, and he gave me these panels for free. I'm going to show you guys how to install them. So there's the long standoffs and the short standoffs, and I'll show you guys where you need to mount everything, where they go, and here's the little baggie that he put everything in. I have my Rotopax mounts sitting out here because I'm waiting for my Sherpa roof rack, as well as the exterior rear side window Molle panels similar to this from Sherpa. So I got lots of things coming. I'm going to show you guys, but I'm going to take these out. We're going to get them sitting in the truck. I'm going to show you guys where the mounts go and everything like that, and we will go from there. All right, so we're back. So this panel right here, the toe end, the bracket that is on the left side goes on this side, and the bracket that's on the right side with the more straight cut line, that is the driver's side. So just in case, so the slightly tiny little curve, very straight edge, bracket, passenger. What you need to take out, if you are putting these panels up, these Molle panels up, you are going to be utilizing both mounts for the original cargo cover. So once you put these mounts up, you can no longer use the cargo cover. So just to let you know, this screw, that 10mm headed bolt, and then these two right here. So let's get this out, pop it down, squeeze it in, pop it down. There we go. So let me bring you guys back in a second, and I'll have all this stuff removed. Alright guys, so we're back. Alright, so just to show you guys, these standoffs, the short standoff goes in the front, or the closest to the tail light, and the long standoff, you can see the difference in sizes, and this one's thicker, goes in the rear or into the cargo cover main mount. So this is the cargo cover mount, and then this right here is the cargo cover slide, the slide covers slide right here. So just to show you guys, this mount, the very large one, goes in the back towards the seat. The short one goes in the front towards the brake light, or the most rear of the vehicle. And then the plastic cover, or this little hook mount piece right here, used to be right there. That's where it used to be. You just take it off and put those bolts back into the location they were in. I put some washers here just to provide a little bit more wider footprint, because the head of the bolt and that little lock washer are just barely bigger, which is why you see that there's these little nicks in the side. So I put a bigger washer there. I could probably put a washer on this one to make it a little bit better. There's a view of a flat washer for the bolt that came out there. But this is what the panel looks like. There. I'm going to get the other side installed, and then I'll show you guys an after look. Alright, so here's the passenger side. Here's the short mount and the long mount and the thick. So that one's thick and a little bit longer. This one's thinner and a little bit shorter. So that's what they look like, guys. Right there. And I already removed that. I'm going to put the panel up. Alright guys, so we're back. So both panels are installed. This guy, these two up here, this guy right here, Sam on this side. All hardware went back in the exact same location that it came out of. They're nice and stiff. No issues there. I just put my funnel, tucked my funnel back under. Looks pretty good. That's what they look like. And then I'm going to have some panels similar to this, but made from Sherpa instead of Rago. And they're going to be on the outside right here. And they're going to attach to the roof rack from Sherpa that I purchased. I purchased a Princeton Mountain Series roof rack. So you're going to need a 10 millimeter with a 5-inch extension, 4-inch extension, a little hand bit ratchet like this will come in handy, so you don't over tighten these, because you can strip this the threading in the roof liner out. And then you're when you get these mounts up here, you might want to use like a flex head 10 millimeter, and you're going to need a 5 millimeter Allen key for these guys right here. The only thing I got to do is put these 4 in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and both sides will be even. This side is a little bit higher. My finger barely fits, doesn't go very far, versus this side. This side right here is not tucked as far under. Oh, no, it actually is the same. Never mind. It's throwing me off because I didn't put these in. That's why. But that is it, guys. Both panels are installed. These panels are from Rago, R-A-G-O Fabrication. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Want to say thank you to Ed Swan. I appreciate the upgrades, bro. And I will see you all on the trails. And I will see you on the next trail, Ed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hope you guys have an awesome, awesome rest of your day. There we go. The driver's side is now even again. I put those 4 back in, so now there's 8 on this side. There's 8 on the passenger side at the top, plus these 2. So 8, 9, 10. 8, 9, 10. And then you got the bottle opener right here. That guy's a bottle opener. And then we have the JIC and the 10 here. JIC 10 there. Take it easy, everybody.